What's up? Welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get tax exempted from Walmart so you can increase your profit margins for dropshipping or online arbitrage from Walmart. So before I get into this, I just want to put a disclaimer out there that I'm not a tax professional and any information about taxes on this video should not be taken as pure facts. This is just information from my own experience with getting tax exempt from Walmart. Alright, so with that out of the way, let's get into the first step. And the first step is you need to form an LLC or an entity in the state that you are in. When you do that, you'll receive an EIN, which is what you need to apply for a resale certificate for your state. And after you get a resale certificate, what you want to do now is head over to the link in the description and find the state you are in, because each state has a different documents that you need to send to Walmart to register for tax exempt status. So I'm going to show you what link I'm talking about. Alright, so this is the link I'm talking about. So each state has a different type of document that you need. So for this example, I'm going to do Georgia because I'm in Georgia. So what I'm going to need for a resale certificate is a ST5 and sales tax certificate of registration. I already have that, so I just need to submit an ST5. Alright, so now that I know what form I need, I'm just going to head over to Google and search whatever form I need. So ST5 Georgia form. And so if you are in Georgia, this is what you're going to need after you apply for a resale certificate. Yeah, this is it right here. So you need to fill this out with all the stuff, your business information, and right here you need to put Walmart's corporate office. That's what you need to put in the address part. So you put Walmart and then you put their corporate address. Alright, so this is what I did. I printed the sheet out, I filled it out. So this is Walmart's corporate address that you need to put in if you're filling this form out. And then make sure you check or mark out resale, because that's what you're going to do. And below here would be all your business information. I covered it up because I don't feel like it'll save me time from having to edit this video and having to blank it out. So down here would be where all your business information, your resale number, your LLC name, and all that stuff, and the address. Alright, so once you got all your papers filled out, the documents that you need, make sure you have them on standby, because once you begin this process, if you take too long, Walmart's going to log you out, and all the stuff that you upload will get deleted, and you'll have to re-upload them again, which is pretty annoying. I've had to do it like a couple times. The first time I had to get my stuff tax exempt, and it took me forever. So make sure you have it all on standby. Alright, so here, put in your business stuff name. Make sure you click resell. And what I did was I picked resell miscellaneous. There's another one that some other people pick, but I can't find it. So I'm just going to go ahead. This works. If you click resell miscellaneous, that works. I put everything except tobacco because I don't sell tobacco. Also, this is going to be like an edited. I kind of forgot. Whenever you're choosing the state to get tax exempt for, if you're doing online arbitrage, you do not need to copy all of the states. You just need to do that one state that you're in. That's the only one you need to do. But for the dropshippers, you have to do all those other states that I'm about to click in a second. Alright, so I got my notepad from the email that Walmart sent me on which states that require different stuff. So you're going to do Alabama, not California, not District of Columbia, Idaho, Kansas, skip these two, Nevada, New York is different. Oklahoma, South Carolina, Utah, West Virginia. Yeah, just copy what I'm clicking. I don't want to name all these out. Of course, if you're in California or Florida, you would be registered with them, so you would click them. But this is for anybody else that's not in these states that are not clicked. Don't click them. Alright, I think that's everything. Alright, save and continue. Hopefully I didn't get logged out because it took a while. Alright, so this is why you need everything on hand quick. So here you would put your sales tax license or your sales certificate number that you got for your state. And then for me, Georgia doesn't have an expiration date. You would put today's date plus 3 years. I think it says that down at the bottom. Yeah. So license expiration date has to be future date. For license without expiration date, please input date 3 years from today. So if you were doing this on, let's say, January 1st, 2022, you would add 3 years for that. So today's December 11th, 2021. I would put December 11th, 2024. So I'm going to put this input, I'm going to input all this stuff quick. And then I'll get back to you when I'm done. Alright, so I just finished putting everything in. So this is what I did. I put my resale certificate number in the first slot, and then the next one I put the expiration date, and I just copied that for every state, only on the first box. And then that paper that I showed you earlier, I uploaded it on the first slot, and I did that for all the states. The same thing. I'm gonna have this all blanked out, but that's what's in the first box for every single state, and it took forever. Hopefully I didn't get logged out, but select continue. Oh, I didn't get logged out. Alright, so now you do that and then sign. And submit it. Alright, and then you're done. So now you gotta wait. So if you're doing this on the weekend, you're probably not gonna hear back until Monday. If you do it during the week, there's a good chance that they get back to you on the next day. But it says please allow up to 2 business days. So it could take up to 2 days. Usually, from my experience, I usually get it all processed the next day. Alright, so it's Monday now, and if you did everything correctly, this is the email that you should be receiving from Walmart, where it says you're approved and you're tax exempt. So now all you gotta do is just make your orders, and you shouldn't be charged sales tax. So if you got any value from this, help me out and like the video so I know what type of content that I need to be putting out. And if you haven't done so yet, subscribe to the channel. Helps me out, and I'll see you in the next one.